streets know. Okay. Let the streets know. Okay. Okay.
What's in my pocket, dog? Big face Honda. Just left the mall, bought everything that I wanted. I'm kinda mad with you, hey, I'm real disappointed. Cause what you didn't tell the people, I got plenty money. 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 I got plenty money.
I like my bitches hood, but all my whips foreign. Just bought another house, the last one was boring. 10,000 square feet, it feel like you touring. You niggas dissing me, it really ain't important. Take off your shirt, nigga, I bet your ribs showing. You niggas starving, my money overflowing. Jury game 6, got all these hoes adoring. Catch me in the club with all they act pouring. If I ever go to prison, I'ma have plenty stories. Sleep real good, cause I ain't got no worries. Stay fresh every day, sure stay glowing. I got plenty money, and all you niggas know it.
What's in my pocket, dog? Big face Honda. Just left the mall, bought everything that I wanted. I'm kinda mad with you, hey, I'm real disappointed. Cause what you didn't tell the people, I got plenty money. 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 I got plenty money.
Next month, guess what? I'm buying rappers. I'm starting to feel sorry for you little bastards. I'm pretty hot, your career disaster. I control you niggas, some like your master. 65 grand, that's round the bazar. They from around me if you don't like to smell cheddar. I ain't fucking with that hoe, cause she a dick hiker. Wanna know who I'm fucking? My money, I just married her. She been good to me, I might buy character. Ran me out the stove, I bought too many plasmas. Count so much money, freak like I got asthma. The whole saying is, the more money the merrier.
What's in my pocket, dog? Big face Honda. Just left the mall, bought everything that I wanted. I'm kinda mad with you, hey, I'm real disappointed. Cause what you didn't tell the people, I got plenty money. 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 I got plenty money.
On the why I bought the Bentley when I had the Maserati. What I paid for the goon chain, 140. Scared to keep money on me cause I will blow it. My strip club name is Mr. Will Throw It. Keep fire on deck and I will show it. Fuck with me and get whacked and all you niggas know it. Scared to dance in the club cause my fire loaded. If you won't use it, guess what? Then don't tote it. More money to most niggas mean more hoish. More money than me, it mean keep going. Haters getting tired, my money still growing. Ball all night, catch a flight in the morning.
Coach Sean on the beat, by the way.
Look, it's like Chef, you moving too hot, you got nothing to prove, you the king of this. Remember they posted with 30s inside of the Glock, I was itching to move on the lake. Be talking real hot for the net, but they see me in person, they all on my. I got their hearts in my pocket, no bully, but I could be bullying a whole lot of. Look, push me to the limit, let's see who really tryna get it. Okay, push me to the limit, let's see who really with it. Don't see no Suburbans who spinning. 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 Look, he got a black flag, take it off. You get shot down if you play a song. I keep a Glock crown, I will let it off. This a diss track, this is not a song. I got him thinking it's voodoo. I'm a King Coso, you poodle. I've been in the field like I know. Can't talk on my name cause I prove it. I'm feeling like who really wanted you. My sons, I ain't feel like I'm bought again. Can't mention no money, I double the offer and you know it's off with his hand. Splash me the child, let me fool him. Me by myself, I'll do it to you. Run up, get done up, I'm moving. Me by myself, I'll give it to you. That shit you be moving too hot, you got nothing to prove, you the king of this. Remember they posted with 30s inside of the Glock, I was itching to move on the lake. Be talking real hot for the net, but they see me in person, they all on my. I got their hearts in my pocket, no bully, but I could be bullying a whole lot of. Look, push me to the limit. Let's see who really tryna get it. Okay, push me to the limit. Let's see who really, really with it. Don't see no Suburbans who spin 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 it. Look, look, lying in they raps for the clout. Heard that boy a snitch, fish him out. Boy, I got the wave, you in drought. Reason why my in they mouth. No, this ain't dance music. I bust a bop, I don't dance. No, this ain't chill music. I'm tryna drill, I wanna dance. This for the streets, so yo say don't care if this get no radio play. Bang on any who play my flow so sick, any who hate. Oh, you tryna bust my thighs. Shot spin them, that's bachata. Stand over and butt blocker. The king know I'm dub massa. Move it, gang. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. That's shooter gang. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. Move it, gang. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it. Don't see no Suburbans who spin it.
Good morning. Hope everybody's blessed. Hope y'all all had an amazing weekend. And of course, thank you. I really appreciate it. We here on this Monday, first day of May. And let's get started. We ended last month pretty good. Let's check the stream tracker. How many wins did we have last month? Wins and losses. We had all our losses last month for the year. We took 3 losses. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 losses, 10 W's, 13 trades altogether for the month of April. Let's see if we can add to that for this month. Let's try to fall back on the losses, though. All right, so we got 10 a.m. ISA Manufacturing PMI. We got a red folder at 10. We've got ISA Manufacturing Prices, orange folder. So we should get some volume at 10. It is the beginning of the month, also the beginning of the week. So we're going to wait for price to give us direction, and then we'll hop in. So we should, and we're also going to check out how we close for the month. For the previous month. All right, let's get into it. As usual, start with the monthly. Let's get full screen. Let's do this. All right, if you look at the previous month, right, this is April. We came down, created a bottom wick, and then towards the end of the month, about that last week, we ended up driving up and turned bullish. So it's a high probability we'll just continue that trend, and we are still expecting us to come down for that quote-unquote recession, but looks like markets price is doing pretty well. So far for the month, we have a little bit of a bearish candle. Probably come down, create a bottom wick for the month, first 2 weeks, and then drive up at some point. But we are going to wait and just take it by ear and just wait for price to give us some trades, some positions, right? So for now, we're going to wait till 10 as usual. All right, let's check the daily, or the weekly, excuse me. Weekly is going to be the same as the daily and the monthly. You look to the left. Let's adjust the support resistance. We'll have support about down here. Resistance will have the top of the wick of the current monthly candle, monthly / weekly / daily candle. We'll indicate here the flip. This is a monthly flip / daily / weekly. But we could remain bearish today. Who knows? So we just want to keep this here to remind us. Let's go ahead and check the daily. Look at the daily. Daily's very bearish. We are at a point of resistance. Looking to the left. All right, let's check the 4 hour real quick. 4 hours very bearish. We have nothing but range going up and down, right? So I'm just gonna let's hope that let's check the 4 hour one more time. Let's remain to the closure below here for some sells. Looks like we want to drive up though. Looks like we're about to hit that flip. Again, we're not going to take anything serious until price makes a distinctive move and until 10 a.m. when news comes out. So right now we're pretty much just waiting. So let's check the 15 real quick just in case. Got volume, so I think what we're waiting for is 10 a.m. before we make a move. So we'll see what happens. All right. All right, so you should be all set. Guys, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. But we back. Let's take a look at the 15. We just got a new one about 16 minutes ago, right? So we bounced off of that minor support that we have. This is the last 15 of the hourly. Let's take a look at the 4-hour real quick. Let's indicate this 4-hour flip right here, just in case. But we are about to get a new 4-hour, remember. Looks like the 4-hour wants to flip. The daily's already flipped. Oh, excuse me. This is the monthly. Was that the monthly? Right. It's a bit weird. Why does the monthly look so much different from it's the weekly? The daily. It's interesting. Okay. Okay. This is good so far. This would be a good close for us if on a 4-hour. 4-hour can close bullish. I would assume that we're gonna try to attempt to create new highs. Look at the monthly. We've got a bottom wick. We've already broke the highs based on this, right? This is weird. This is weird. The way this chart is set up, it's a bit weird. Must have been a glitch or something, but in about 6 minutes, we're gonna get a new 4-hour candle. All we're gonna be waiting for is a bottom wick at this point. We need a bottom wick. We'll need a bottom wick, and then we'll be in for some buys. So far, our bias is bullish. Let's say that. Let's set some. Let's have resistance above here. Let's have target. We should slap this because there's a gap in the market. There's a gap in the charts. Usually when there's gaps, the market price will fill those gaps. So we'll hope that happens. Target 1 will be the top of that wick. We'll have target 2 about right here. 40 points at the top of that wick. 80 up there. Let's get a bit lower. I like this better. We'll have overall targets all the way up here. 38, 72. Could have runners for 109 points, hopefully. Let's just hope that this 4-hour remains bullish. We close in the next 5 minutes, and then the next 4-hour will come down, give us a bottom wick, and we'll have some buy stops, please. All right. We got about a minute left. In 1 minute. Getting a new 4 hour. Again, we're still waiting for this closure though. Bias is bullish, but we still need, I'm hoping we get a bullish closure. We've only got 30 seconds left. I'm just hoping we can get a bullish closure. I'm not saying if we don't that the trade is invalid, but it would help our confluences if we do get a bullish closure. But I am going to lose a little bit of confidence in the bullish bias if we don't. But that doesn't mean I'm not still going to look for an entry. All right, it's about to be 10 now. Set these indicators. If we can get a bottom wick, a good enough bottom wick, I'll have some buy stops. Here we go. Oh, we started way down. Look at that open. Excuse me. That's weird. Okay. So I'm gonna have a buy stop though. Let's have buy stops, please. Because that is a pretty decent bottom wick. We're gonna adjust our. That'll be 13,229, 13,339. That's pretty much on the 4 hour flip. The previous 4 hour flip that we had. Let's get that off because there's no more 4 hour. All right, we're gonna have a stop loss. Okay, this one's kind of off the cuff. This one, I'm gonna say a bit of an impulse entry, but let's see. Let's have ourselves a 25-point stop loss. 13,204 is gonna be our stop loss. Okay. All right, we're continuously coming down. So I told you it was a bit iffy, the trade, and we're waiting for news, right? Or this is news that's coming out. So I'm assuming numbers are going to be good for us to drive up. Let's see what numbers gave us. So we did have good numbers. The actual was higher than previous, as well as higher than what was forecast, along with the manufacturing prices. All right, so what could be happening is we are driving down to grab liquidity, and as it grabs liquidity, we're grabbing orders, and by grabbing orders, we will get a strong bullish flip. All right, again, this one's a bit in the air. We've had better trades before that have a lot more intact confluences for us to follow, but I still think this trade is valid. All right, we're gonna have a 25-point stop loss. 13,203 is the stop loss. Okay, as usual, at 10 points, you move stop loss to BE, take partials, and yeah. So far, we've got buy stops placed. All right, we're getting pretty close to an entry. This is why it's good to have buy stops, right? A break of the high, breaks of the high. You don't want to be in the drawdown. You could have already put a buy in, but you'd already be in some drawdown. It's not worth it. Just be patient. Be patient. We should hopefully get a drive going up very soon. You shouldn't be scared of your trade. Although I did say this is a bit iffy, this position, because we are at this minor support here. But I think we're going to respect it with good numbers and continue to drive up. Got pretty close to an entry, but still no entry. And so far, this is a 4-hour trade. If we end up waiting till 10:15, we'll probably begin to adjust our entry, our position, stop loss, so on and so forth. So we still do not have an entry. All right, just gonna be the bullish flip. Kept grabbing that liquidity, kept creating a lot of these bottom wicks. That should hopefully mean that we grab some buy orders and we'll flip bullish. Now, if we don't get an entry, so be it. We will look again at 10:15. And if we don't get an entry for the day, it is what it is. We'll be back again tomorrow. Tomorrow we should get news, I believe. We're getting news again. Tomorrow we have Jolt's job openings. That's at 10 a.m. as well. So that should bring us some volume too. Let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. Can we get an entry on this position? Can we get an entry? Please be sure, be careful, because it could be a strong flip. It keeps attempting to break lows, which means once we flip bullish, we should get a strong drive up, hopefully. Hopefully. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick. Also a high probability we could drop down too, right? So again, if you break lows again, we'll adjust our position, okay? We're just assuming that this is a bottom wick for news. We're gonna respect this minor support, continue driving bullish, hopefully. We're kind of playing. Price is kind of iffy right now, but yeah, we still don't have an entry. We still got about 7 more minutes before 10:15 and we get a new 15-minute candle. Let's see. Let's hope that we can respect this here support. If we can respect the support, we should drive bullish. Continue. see what happens. As usual, you guys will know I'm in once you see this indicator. All right? Let's clean up some of this stuff. Could this be the entry? We flipping bullish. We are flipping bullish. All right, I believe I'm in. Guys, as usual, like I said, 25-point stop loss. At 10, we move stop loss to BE. Take partials. You'll be in a risk-free trade. That's our entry. Let's delete this. Right? 25-point stop loss. You shouldn't be over leveraging your account. And we should be good to go. All right. Let's go. Now you shouldn't be scared. You shouldn't be afraid about your trade. You should trust your analysis. You should trust that you're not over leveraging. If you do hit stop loss, it's not like you're going to lose your account. So just, just be patient. If you lose, you lose. If you win, you win. Worst come to worst, you blew your account and then you just got to start over, right? I mean, we've all been there. But let's hope we can get this drive we're looking for. We are in an entry and a little bit of drawdown. Hopefully we can move stop loss to BE before this new 15. We've got about 10 minutes. We've got about 3 minutes. So we'll have to see what happens. And if you don't trust the trade, if you're unsure of yourself, if you're unsure of me, it's a perfect opportunity. Get out at BE. Don't force it. If you're not 100% sure or accurate, nobody's gonna be 100% sure about a trade. But if you're not feeling it, don't be mad at me or mad at any other traders. It's your money. This is my money I'm trading. So if you wanna get out early, it's up to you. I'm gonna wait till we hit stop loss, or at least get our 10 points and move stop loss to BE. So I'm waiting. I'm gonna be patient. So far, this 15's looking good because 15's not closing bearish. This is good for us to close bullish. If we can close bullish, hopefully the next 15 will respect this support again. It'll probably come down to create another bottom wick. That'll grab some more liquidity, and then we should hopefully get a strong drive going up from that point. So we are gonna just be patient. Be patient and hope for the best. All right. Got 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. We're in a position. We are in a position. 10 seconds. Get a new 15-minute candle. And see where we go. Okay. Opened up with the top wick. Let's see if we could get the volume to continue driving up. Let's see, can this be it? Hopefully. Let's take a look at this. 230, 15. Today's a very iffy day. Not really getting those wicks that we wanted, but you know, we're in now. We got the entry. We're back at BE again. I'll repeat. If you want to get out now. I'm gonna wait till we hit the 10-point mark though. Is this the drive you're looking for? Almost there. Let's see if we can get this push. Almost. It's about to be another W in the books. Let's get it. All right, at this point, move stop loss to BE. It's another W. Congratulations. Anybody took that dub? Good for you. Whoever took that dub, good for you. That's what I like to see. Move your stop loss to BE. You're officially in a risk-free trade. Another round of applause for you. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. So far, we've got a position. It's risk-free. Should hopefully have some runners. I was able to get 9 points. I was like, because I had got slipped a little bit, but overall, that was a good W. Like I said from the beginning of the trade, I wasn't 100% confident. I've been way more confident in other positions, but yeah, I do still think we can drive up. It's not out of the question, but hitting BE is also a high probability of happening. So just look out for that. But we did get a W. It is what it is. Ah, man. That feels good. Catching W's feels good. All right, looks like we're getting pretty close to that BE mark. So unfortunately, you might not get runners today. Let's see what happens. That was a pretty long trade, though. Usually I'm in a position, I like to be in positions like 2 minutes max, 1 minute. Just be in and out. but we had got a pretty early entry. We were in a little bit of drawdown. If you were able to hold on, and you would have been able to grab some points this morning. You don't need to get 150,000 points every single day. Just 10 points a day is way more than enough for you to remain profitable. Only problem is you have to stay consistent. You have to stay consistent and minimize your losses. That's one of the main things. Keep your losses small, your wins big. All right, we've hit BE.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
All right. So what? We didn't get runnings today. Overall, I was kind of iffy about targets. This is the first of the month, first of the week. So, you know, we did get news. That's why I was expecting us to get the volume, at least to drive up a bit. And we did. We got our 10 points, thankfully. And all right. So that's pretty much it. I doubt I'll be looking for a trade at 10:30. We're not doing that today. Truthfully, this area itself is really not a good trading area. You probably shouldn't have taken that trade, to be completely honest. But I'm glad that we were able to grab at least 10 points quickly. So it is what it is. We're just going to put that in the W list. Let's go ahead and change the record. We are currently at 24 and 3. 24 and 3. All right. 24 and 3. It's not perfect, but definitely a good percentage for the year so far. But I am gonna call it quits for the day. We got a W. Don't have FOMO. Don't overtrade. If you missed the trade, so be it. We will be back again tomorrow, and there will be more, way more positions. Way more positions. So be blessed. Y'all have a good day. And see you tomorrow. And of course, thank you. I really appreciate it. But let's go be lit. And y'all have a good one. Peace.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin. Question Louis Vuitton, when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles up a zoo till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the Rari. I'm a gangster, but I like to party. Pop a perky, go retarded. I'm a Brooklyn nigga, I'm cold-hearted. That's why I like the back, yeah, like Riri. Every time she see me, she wanna eat me. I saw like Justin Bieber, please believe me. I said, wow, I'm on the TV. I can't fuck with broke bitches, they be creepy. She be acting up, she always tryna leave me. But she a bad girl, and she freaky. I have her hanging off the wall like she mean me. I never hit a bitch more than once cause they be leeches. But her pussy good, it tastes like peaches. But she can have it, I don't need it. I'd rather have my money green like kiwi. I don't talk to niggas cause they be capping. Disrespect me and see what happen. I don't make a call for war, start snapping. Bullets blasting, all the ups man that I laughed in. He said we're stacking, nothing but my money. Remember my pockets flat, now they chunky. I ain't a pretty boy, but I ain't ugly. And I'll take your bitch in a second. If she a real one, then I'll protect it. Traded the AP, told my jeweler protect it. And it's all VVS and flower settings. I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin. Question Louis Vuitton, when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles up a zoo till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the Rari. I'm a gangster, but I like to party. Pop a perky, go retarded. I'm a Brooklyn nigga, I'm cold-hearted.
Yours, what you telling? Yours, what you telling? Yours, what you telling? Yours.